In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a report using Journey Analytics in HubSpot. So to do that, you first need to head over here into your HubSpot and then locate the option for reporting and click on Reports. So for this, we can actually create a Journey Analytics report using this. So to do that, head over and click on this Create option and then choose to create a report. So head over and then do that right here. In here, you can just locate templates available for the Journey Analytics, or you can use AI to create a template. So for this, you can locate template report library, or you can also use AI. So when you click onto this template report, you can quickly get started with a pre-built template created by HubSpot themselves. So just choose a template right here and then choose and then add and arrange the events and steps that you want to track for this particular report. And set the filters and date range and you should be good to go. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.